person me share same way from 5 areas. First of all, no. Say you can say you renew go face licenses, and as me renew engineer so be near they can say asem. Say you who engineer so now then we can establish. Say okay, then let's go ahead and renew. And as me renew. I want to look at the contributions of go face. Or takwa so aye. Me takwa near me, takwa near Tetteh me, and sebe enya akwenye tutu kwan kakra. And when you compare other areas, not to compare takwa. We because go face are born home modern. Why a lot of projects you can mention classroom blocks, hospitals, a whole lot of stuff. Ye nim crown, ye nim TNA as one of the monumental projects go face ayadiamatakwa TNA when it comes to sports.
Okay.
But the question is, have they done enough? I think that's the question I say in ABC.
Okay.
So go face Ghana. For the past 30 years, have they done enough? When you're able to answer this question, anyway, someone say, okay, I'm so, and I say,
okay, say, have they done enough? What person would you say?
Say, a band say, Omoboa takwampuntu na. Is it enough? The Omoya no, you bet to me, I'm Pama bomb.
Okay.
That's the question I'm asking. And to me, they've not done enough.
To you?
Yes.
There was a omo
no.
Okay. That was Kwambenso.
Government has done a lot. We cannot run away from it. But to me, they've not done enough. And I think, say, if you are going to renew the alliances, then it's better say a better nasi. Yaka say yaki can say me. One, yembi say I want say Obatakwa as a golden city, a free golden city. Yemsha yakwa watakwa. Maybe say, can you mention one first class road or Takwazi? No one can mention one single first class road because with the first class as will be Ratakwa. Or because with the Ampad is a golden city. None. We are sitting here this morning talking about inner roads and I'm a boy. Me bra say Omoye na yembe. Yes, it's true. Omoye be yembe. But should we be complaining about inner roads? Looking at mining companies, they try and wish. Should we be at the position for so many years we've been crying over inner roads? If I want to extend the conversation, na me bra na ke no can you share so kwai? Can you imagine say we have all these mining companies around and obi free ha I ko share so hwe kwan ye fa so. Say nso to sisi a just say be the machine ko twa kwan no san na cars bet me akosua so.
Okay.
Are we proud of ourselves? So we no say this is the mining city. Are we proud of ourselves? Like I said,
but tax Anna. Because
I'll come there.
Within a
I'll come there. I will
taxes so much you anti yes you be say abandon so dear na abandon so
I will get there.
Using the tax.
I'll get there.
Okay.
The issue about royalties. We have MIF for taking care of these royalties. I will deal with that.
Okay.
But let's look at Go Face and to extend other mining companies. And I've spoken about road. And I'll pay me free myself in a buy. We have yes your angry good one. Share quite a free tapaco angry myself in my 8 or branch from Table Junction. Are we proud of ourselves? You understand? So the mining companies they are trying, but it's not the best. And yet the best. And if you are going to renew the alliances, then you need to set up. Share your education. So you are building classroom blocks. Your mass scholarship. It's true. Last time my boss, Kuku Etia, said he's one of the people who benefited from scholarship. But you also ask that simple question: have they done enough? Over every community, the face of the community, secondary schools, some more university than the university. For JHS, there, so a classroom class for more JHS. So when you get to the level, say you have secondary school, they know okay, we have TASCO, we have FIASEC, we have Univers, any other secondary schools. Maybe FIASEC, me a royal.
Okay.
Say when you enter the campus of FIASEC, are you proud of yourself? Misuku, me can't be entiamo. But are we proud of ourselves? Say we are on the land of a mining a community. Say you're too good, you're too good for 30 years, you're too manganese for so many years. Young business wants to say, if you're sickness, you want to is it up to standard? I'm tempted to say, I say, Crisis Secondary School. It's my school. What I'm school, and I'm proud of it. I'm a proud lawyer. But is that the standard we want? Is that the standard? Young Kota School. I say, Crisis Secondary School. Are you getting it? And so we want GOLDFIELDS to sit up. If indeed you're seeing renewal, we have a university here, see UMAT, University of Mines and Technology. Recently, Professor Kumi Boatin, the new Vice Chancellor, and as part of the Kasano. One of the things I can say, there's infrastructure gap. They need modern infrastructure. And it is fact. So you'll be able to cry. Ura, you matter. You matter is not university. It's like a secondary school. Yes, I know some of these things may sound a bit harsh, but you know, you math is not the standard of a university. If you will be at least what call KNUST and other universities, this is our premier university when it comes to mines. Mines, you can say mines are our premier, the whole Ghana. Now, Professor so you know the what? The best university when it comes to technology in the whole Africa. I listened to his video. Is that a standard I said to my own? Ura you matter. Who will be our varsity university? Ura you matter. Do you feel the sense that you are on the campus of a university? And we have all these mining companies around.
Yeah. And then another baby say and yet GOLDFIELDS and one a mining company a walk.
That's why I bring in the other mining companies along the
yes,
line.
but you see, I know yes, GOLDFIELDS and on more time.
So they've also contributed to it. They've not done well for the university.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. And your mom can me blame you, but
okay.
So the point is that they've not contributed enough to the schools. I'm looking at education. We will go to health. We still go to Ifiakwanta as our referral point for so many years. In the Takwayo to referral hospital. Can't we have a referral hospital?
Okay.
Up to now, still no. I see a Ifiakwanta. No, we call ourselves the mining city. So can't we have a referral hospital here? We don't have one. Let me say, GOLDFIELDS. When it comes to sports, you can talk about TNA.
Okay.
Excellent. I give it to them.
Okay.
But let's look at the other sectors. Road, health, education. They've not done enough.
Enti ebia obi bisa say opese o compare say GOLDFIELDS and JMC and me say Anglo Gold. Sa 3 year mabodi yakasa obi a waye adwuma ewo aboa takwa nso ayemwa. Why na obe you know?
For now we'll choose GOLDFIELDS.
Meaning say omaya bibi.
But your best doesn't mean it is the best.
At least since I want you to GOLDFIELDS, meaning they've done something.
Bakubedi first. So they are paying for general racing. No mutu America. They are Bakubedi first. And no interest say honor the best runner.
But at least what try. But what try.
In the paying for crowd to America, they are Bakubedi first. The fact say they are the best among no interest say they've done enough.
Yes, indeed. Say other companies so try at least or more yet the GOLDFIELDS and so I know.
So we are having a conversation. That's why intention make us say na the other companies be making stress to